Hello, welcome to Python MCQ question answer series. In this video, we will talk about data types and this is part 2. We already discussed 6 MCQ questions from data type chapter. You can see all those questions. I'll give the link of that video in the video description. You can have a look on that video. Now let's start part 2. This is our 7th question of data types. Which of these is not a core data type? Option A is list, option B dictionary, option C tuple, option D class. Here the correct answer will be option D class. Class is a user defined data type. This is not a core data type or built-in data type. Now we'll see the next question. What is the data type of X after the following statement? Here you can see that we have a X variable and we have a square bracket, and inside the square bracket we have some numerical values. Here is our options. Option A list, option B dictionary, option C tuple, option D string. The correct answer will be option A, that is list. Lists are created using square brackets. List is built-in data type in Python used to store collections of data. Also, lists are used to store multiple items in a single variable. Here you can see that we have a variable X, and inside this variable we are storing multiple items. Now I'll go to the next question. This is our question number 9. What is the data type of X after the following statement? This is our first option list, option B dictionary, option C tuple, option D string. And the correct answer will be option A, because we know that lists are created using the square bracket. Also, a list item can be of any data type. A list can contain different data type, like you can see here hello is a string, this one is a integer, this one is boolean, this is a float, and this is also a string. Here in this list we can see that these are the list of strings. So here the correct answer will be option A, list. Next question. What will be the data type of X after the following statement? So here you can see that we have a curved bracket, and here is our options. Option A list, option B dictionary, option C tuple, option D string. The correct answer will be option C, tuple. Tuples is data types in Python used to store collections of data. Tuples are used to store multiple items in a single variable. So this is our variable X, and we can see that we are storing here 3 items. A tuple is a collection which is ordered and unchangeable. So remember that tuples are ordered and this is unchangeable. Also, tuples are written with round brackets. Now we'll see the next question. What will be the data type of X after the following statement? So remember that this is curly brackets, and here is our option. Option A list, option B dictionary, option C tuple, option D string, and the correct answer will be option B, that is dictionary. Dictionaries are used to store data in key and value pair. So this is lang is key, and this is value, this is also key, this is value. Dictionary is a collection which is ordered, changeable, and do not allow duplicates. Also, to determine how many items a dictionary has, you can use the length function. Now we'll go to the next question. Question number 12. What is the data type of X after the following statements? Here you can see that we have a curly brackets, but we don't have key value pair here. Here is our options. Option A list, option B dictionary, option C tuple, option D sets. The correct answer will be option D, that is set. And set is a data type in Python used to store collections of data. Sets are used to store multiple items in a single variable. So this is our variable, and you can see that multiple items are stored within a single variable. A set is a collection which is unordered, unchangeable, unindexed, and duplicates not allowed. Remember that here, note, set is unchangeable, it means set items are unchangeable, but you can remove items and you can add new items, but you cannot edit items. So that's it for today. We have just completed 6 questions in this video. In the next video we will talk about another MCQ questions of Python programming language. So till then, take care, bye bye, see you in the next video.